Tips and tricks for heavy equipment repair part 2. Number 5. Keep spare parts on hand. It's a good idea to keep spare parts on hand so you can quickly make repairs when needed. This can help minimize downtime and keep your project on track. Number 6. Invest in training. Properly trained employees can perform repairs more efficiently and effectively, reducing the likelihood of breakdowns and costly repairs. Number 7. Use high-quality parts. Using cheap or low-quality parts can cause damage to the equipment and lead to more frequent repairs. Make sure to use parts that meet or exceed the manufacturer's specifications. Number 8. Pay attention to warning signs. These can include unusual noises, vibrations, or changes in the way the equipment operates. Addressing these issues early on can help prevent more serious damage to the machine. In conclusion, heavy equipment repair is an essential aspect of any construction project. By following these tips and tricks, you can help keep your equipment running smoothly and minimize downtime. To learn more some tips and tricks, visit our website interstateheavyequipment.com or call 469-370-7501.